Hello guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make a navigation bar using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do over here is open a header tag. And inside this header tag, go and open a nav tag. Then let's come back here and add an image tag. Then go to something like images slash logo.png. So I'm using this image over here because that's just what I've got. So you guys can use whatever you want. So next I'm going to come over here and open a UL tag, and this UL is going to have an ID, sorry, a class of let's say nav dash bar. Then next we're going to open this tag and add an a tag. Inside this a tag, go on an li tag. Then next let's add some like home in here. Then we're going to paste this 2 more times. So let's change this to something like about us, and this is going to be let's say contact. Then let's come down here and add something like a button, let's say a. Then in here we're going to add a button, let's say sign in. Then let's come up here and add something like input. Then let's say placeholder, and inside this placeholder we're going to add something like search. So this is just something like a search field. The next, that's it for the HTML, guys. Let's head over to our CSS and add some style to our code. So what we're going to do in here is open something like this, then say box sizing, then border box. Then we're going to come down here, add something like margin, let's say 0, and the padding is going to be 0 also. Then next we're going to add something like a background color. This background color is going to be navy. That looks good but not too good. So what we're going to do is reduce this color to a dark navy color. That's not still too good. Let's make it even darker. I guess that's better. So what we're going to do next is come down here and add some like header. So we're going to grab our header tag from the HTML. What we're going to say is align items. We're going to make it center. The next we're going to come down here and say something like let's say justify content, then space between. Then next let's say something like display flex. That's getting better. So what we're going to do next is to style our button to check it out if it's still there. What's going to say is background color, then orange red. Okay, our button is still there. So what we're going to add next to our button, okay, let's just keep the button for now. Let's head over here, add L I and A, then button. So by doing this we're grabbing our Li. By doing that we're grabbing Li, all the A's and the button at the same time. So let's add some code to that. Let's say something like color, let's make it white. And next we're gonna add on like font family, and this is gonna be sans serif. Then let's add something like font size. This is gonna be 20 px. Then next we're gonna add something like text decoration, none. So that text decoration is used to remove those underlines you were seeing there before. As you can see, if I remove this, it's just gonna come right back, but if I add this back, that goes away. I think that looks better like that. So what we're gonna do is add something like let's say dot nav bar. So what we're doing now is grabbing our UL's class, this UL class over here, we're grabbing it into our CSS. So what we're gonna see next is something like inline, sorry, we're gonna say display inline block. So let's come down here and add some like dots. Now by again we're gonna say AI, then we're gonna come down here and add some like list style type. So this list style type is used to remove these dots over. They're not looking too good, so let us add none. I think that does it. So what we're going to add is padding and then 20 px. That's good. So next let's add some like display, then inline flex. That's good. I think that's looking a little bit better now. So let's just head back and style our button from where we left it off. What we're going to add is width. Let's add a width of maybe let's say 140 px. That looks good. I think we have to add a padding there. Let's say padding, let's add 6 ps. Let's check that out. Doesn't look too good on it. Let's remove it. Let's use a height instead. Let's say height. Let's leave this height at 50 px. I think that will look better. I think that's okay. Let's add a border radius of 30 px. That's looking great. So what we're going to do next is add a hover for our button. Let's say button hover, then we're going to add some like background color. It's going to be green. That looks too dark, so what we're going to do next is make it a little bit lighter, but let's change the color. Let's make it black. I guess that's better now. So what we're going to do next is start our input tag. Let us get over here and say input, then we're going to add some like let's say width, then this width is going to be 200 px. Too small, let's say 300 px. That's getting better, but let's make it 350. I think that's better. Let's just add a height, and this height is going to be let's say 30 px. That's not looking too good. Let's say 40 px. I think that's better, but let's add a little bit of width. Let's say 390. I think that's better. So what we're going to do next is come down here. We're going to add some padding to our input tag. Let's say maybe 7 px. I think that's better. Let's add the border radius here. Okay, first of all let's change our background color. Let's make it white. Then next we're going to add a border. I don't like those ugly borders there, so what I'm going to do here is add the border, then say sorry, border not that, let's say none. I think they are gone. So what we're going to add next is a border radius, and this border radius is going to be 30 px. As you can see, whenever I come here there's always a thick outline showing there. It doesn't look too good, so let's just say something like outline, then none. I think that's gone and everything looks better now. So that's it for this video, guys. If you really did enjoy this video, please make sure to drop a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.